How to download Google Chat on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can download Google Chat on your device. Google Chat is a communication service developed by Google. Initially designed for teams and business environments, it has since been made available for general consumers. So if you want to download Google Chat, all you have to do is open Play Store on your device. Next thing you want to do is tap on the search bar. Now type Google Chat and search for it. This is the application you should be looking for. Here you can read all the descriptions about this and also the review. Now tap on the install button. Depending on the speed of your internet and the file size, it will take some time for the application to be downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your device. Now you can simply tap on the open option and start using Google Chat. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.